Hey, to pair your Galaxy Buds FE with any Android device, all you have to do before the pairing, input both earbuds inside the case and charge them for like 10 or 20 minutes by using this USB-C port. And then you have to open this charging case. You don't need to remove earbuds from the case. So then on your Android device, you will have to open the Bluetooth. You have to turn on the Bluetooth and then click to pair new device. And you will find your Galaxy Buds FE on the list and click on them once and then accept the pairing. And now just wait for this connection process, and after a few seconds we will be connected. As you can see, in my case there's some kind of the issue, but let's see if I go like this. Okay, it doesn't work, so let's try to click on them one more time. Okay, I'm going to try to turn off the Bluetooth and then turn it on back. Maybe we can try to fix it like this. Okay, as you can see, in my case, for some reason they doesn't work. So maybe that's a good example because I'm going to show you how you can actually fix it. So if you have the same issue like in my case, let's try to click connect manually right here. If it doesn't work, just click to forget the device, restart the Bluetooth settings, so turn them off, turn them on, and go to pair new device one more time. Now select your Galaxy Buds FE one more time, accept the pairing, wait for this pairing process, and we are not connected anymore. So in this case, I can recommend you to simply restart your phone, because I guess there's something wrong with my phone because previously I was connected. So click to restart and now just wait. Okay, and now when your phone is turned on back, let's go into these earbuds and open the charging case. Now open the Bluetooth on your phone. Next, remove previously connected earbuds and just repeat with the clicking to pair new device. Now let's select them one more time. Accept the pairing. And it looks like right now we are connected successfully. So as you can see, if you have the same issue with the connection, just try this simple turning on and off process of your phone. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.